Oh, you're busy. So busy, girl. Just checking things out, aren't you? Granny's holding that steady with her toe. Yeah. See that toe? Granny holding it. Uh-huh. Because I know just what you're going to try to do is stand up in the rocking chair. Don't try to make me move my foot. I know you know my foot's in the way. Is my foot in the way? Huh? You can stand up. I know. I've seen you do it. There you go. Hey, big stuff. Woohoo! Look at you. Woohoo! And down. Wow, good exercise, Poppy. More than Granny does in a week. Wow, big stuff. Now what? Huh? What? What? Can you sit up? Can you sit? Hey, girlfriend on your knees. Hi, Poppy. Hey, here's Minnie Mouse. Hi, Poppy. Hi. And who's this? Is that your baby? Is that your baby? Baby? Want to stand up with baby? Here, Granny, help you. You can't hold the camera and do that. There we go. All right. Oh, Poppy's got her baby. Poppy's got her baby. Poppy. Hi. Hi. One hand. You go crawl down the hall? Is that what, yeah, you're thinking about that, jabbering about it? That's a mighty long crawl. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Maybe Granny walk down to the other end of it and see. Can you come this way? Can you crawl down here to Granny? What a big girl. What a big girl, Poppy. You can come see Granny, huh? Wow. You're going to climb the wall, literally? Huh? You're going to climb the wall? Just checking it out? Come on. Come on. Jabber, jabber? Huh? Okay, Poppy, that's the end of the line. Poppy. Hi. Hi. Hi, Poppy. Hi. Bye-bye, Poppy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.